This week, we'll take you on a pheasant hunt with my granddaughter, Chanel Koch, and POWA members Tyler France and Charlie Birchfield.
Oh, he's down. Yes! That's a pretty nice ball.
My husband thinks we should have a picnic while we're sitting out here waiting.
I feel bad, but
first time he came in with chasing two hens, went up over the hill. That one went all the way through it. I think I'm really getting used to this new bow.
Okay, we're here at March's Gap View Preserve. We're going to do some cockbird hunting. They got pheasant stocked. We're going to be hunting mixed sorghum, some foxtail, and some switchgrass. Hoping to get my 7-year-old Springer and setter mix, Callie. She's eager to get out and get after some birds this fall, so we're going to see what we can do, get after it, and hopefully get some shots. Enjoy it. All right, you ready? You gonna find the bird? You gonna find the bird? You gonna find the bird? Let's hunt.
Chanel's just coming off a shoulder surgery, and she has to carry her arm in a sling until it's time to shoot.
Let's go. Wind's kind of quartering this way. Okay, where's the bird? Where is it? Find him.
We go through several fields before Callie puts up her first bird.
Find him. Come on. Oh, find him. Let's find him. Let's find him. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's get him. This way. This way. Get him.
This bird takes off pretty far out in front, but Callie's right on him and turns him right back to us.
Coming back across.
Chanel holds up on her shot here because she wasn't sure where Callie was, because she knew Callie was chasing the bird.
Hold up. I didn't know where she was. Come on, Callie. He's right in here, right?
Yeah, I saw him. He's probably right in front of you.
Okay, so put him back in. Let's go now. Charlie, coming up. Shoot it.
It looks like this bird was never hit, but when it hits the ground, it just keels over.
Bugger.
You got it. Good job, Chanel.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come here, Callie. Good girl. Come here. Good girl.
Bring the bird. Come on. Bring the bird. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah.
Get your bird. Come on.
Come on, Cal.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come here. Good girl.
Job.
That's a
Good
girl.
job.
That's a good girl. Yes.
Good job.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on.
You down there?
Huh?
You down there? I thought you did. Did you?
I missed the first one. Good girl.
Good job. That's his.
Second time I was behind him again.
But you had to do it in the camera on, didn't
Yeah, I did. That's twice I got myself missing. Good girl. That's a good girl. Misfire. My gun didn't go off.
Mine did, but it's behind it.
Well, you don't always get them all.
Come on, Cal. Yes, she does. She's pointing.
Well, why, glory, look at this feather.
That was a
You'll be
shot.
spitting BBs for a week.
I was trying to let it get a little further out.
You could lead them a little bit.
Good girl.
Holy moly.
Good girl. Where's the bird? Oh my God. Where? Find him. Find him. Get him. Get him. This way. Come on. Good girl. Leave it. This way. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. There's another one in here.
Yeah. I didn't see that. I was watching over here for that one.
Find him. Charlie, this one's yours. It goes up. No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. No, leave it. Good girl. Good girl. Where's that other one? Scent trail over there? Get him, Callie. Come on, Cal. In here. Hi, Charlie. Yep.
Far out.
Yep. Good girl. Watch, might be another bird. Where's the bird? Find the bird.
Yeah, but this is where that bird went down.
Is it? John right there. Good girl. Good girl.
The dog knows.
Man,
Come on.
I could have sworn it was a little further. She's good. Easy. Easy. Coming back. Come on. Find them. She might be on one. You ready? Yeah, she is. Shoot it! Shoot it!
You hit it, Chanel.
Good girl! That's the first one or the second one she had. First one, see that. On the bird, Callie. You on the second one then?
Oh, I got them both.
Good. Good girl.
Good girl, Callie.
Oh. How about that?
Now the dog's working.
Oh, shoot.
She needed a warm up.
You want to grab her? Just
Yeah.
take this.
Good girl. Come here. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl.
I'm not loaded, and that's not dead. Does he want to kill that? Is this ours or his?
Good girl. Come on. No bit to go yet. Where they hold. Let's go. Find them.
Those last two birds would be the last birds of the day. And what a great day it was.
It's just a courtesy.
Yeah. Yep.
You had a lot of work out of this dog today.
Yeah, she's tired.
Ha Now she can have the fun seat on the way home with you.
Yeah. All right, we had an excellent hunt today at Martz's Gap View Preserve, hunting with Outdoor Buddies Adventures. Callie put in a good job of work this morning. She found every bird that was there, but we can't say the same for our shooting. Chanel did an excellent job shooting.
It's your shooting, not our
The
shooting.
one-armed bandit here, put him down. She outshot all of us with one arm. So we had a great time though. It was a beautiful day, mid-October. If you get an opportunity, come out to Martz's and you can get on the birds if you have a dog. Perfect kind of controlled environment for him to get plenty of work, lots of action, and plenty of shooting. So
Hey
thanks
Tyler,
for
some of
watching.
the best cover in Pennsylvania.
It is.
Yep.
Yeah, it was. It was excellent cover. Thanks for watching Outdoor Buddies Adventures.